All right. Good morning again. Good afternoon and good evening, brothers and sisters. And let's begin the New York live session. It's not much to discuss about from what we touched in the last session. If you are here with me in the UK live, even though let's touch the wave formats. Beginning with the euro, we want to discuss mainly gold, but we will touch upon euro, dollar index, pound as well. Alright, as far as the active trades are concerned, we have three trades on the desk right now, all on the short side: gold, pound, and crude oil. Euro USD and the dollar index, had it been an aggressive trade call, we would have shorted it, but we just want to refrain from trading counter trend. So let's see where the next price action could be. Going long in the euro USD right now is not called for. If we do the trend lines here, I think we should wait for at least some support to be broken. The immediate trend line seems to be giving way to the bears. Very much possible for a continued drop towards, at least if it is forming or wanting to form an ending diagonal structure. I believe prices should come in the vicinity of the 1900 handle. Alright, so the trading plan for euro doesn't change at all. It should be, we are waiting for a drop towards the 1980 levels and then a pullback almost from the same levels. We should be getting an entry to sell with a tight stop loss just above 2080 or just 2100 levels. Alright, right now we are refraining from going aggressive shorts, but we will closely monitor a break below 1.1980, that is about 40 pips from here. And just a quick reminder, next 2 hours, within the next 2 hours there are a couple of fundamental triggers coming out, and another 30 minutes after that there would be some FOMC minutes, December 13th FOMC minutes to be out. that could prove a price trigger for the movement that we are expecting in the euro USD and the dollar index as well. Alright, so flat for now. We are waiting for one support to be broken, and then we would go short on rallies after that. Alright, be prepared for either a running or standard flat structure to unfold or an ending diagonal structure to unfold. These are the two high probable forecasts. Either it is going to be an ending diagonal, in that case you will see a drop wave 4 here and another high. That is one case, and the other one is ABC, ABC and 5, 335, at least below 1.1550. Like selling on rallies still remains very much on cards for euro USD, right? And absolutely reverse scenario goes for the dollar index. It is expected to at least it is trading above the 92 handle comfortably. We want to see a break above 92.30. That's the immediate resistance. This is a 4-hour chart, so I'll be bringing up the hourly chart. This is one scenario where you can see 535, and the other one is an ending diagonal scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, 93 levels and 5 towards the 91. All right, the trade plan for the dollar index remains flat for now, but we are watching closely this resistance. I'm just waiting for 92.30 to go bust. At least bulls would be registering themselves that they are going to come back. If it breaks above 92.30, then yes, we would like to buy on dips from there on. This is a conventional way to trade, no aggressiveness. Wait for at least a minimum support resistance to be broken, and then wait for a pullback and then trade. All right, so it is towards the trend, would be rather towards the trend, at least towards the 93 handle. All right, we should be getting a meaningful AB boundary. They were, and we'll be entering at a C and D. If you remember, that's what we discussed yesterday. All right, so flat in the dollar index now. Pound, as what we discussed in the last session, pound is probably on its way for a 5 waves structure on the south side. I repeat, brothers, 5 waves. It should unfold 5 waves on the south side. Wave 1 was an impulse, that is a complex corrective. Wave 2, which is most probably complete. We should be getting a bearish signal either today or tomorrow. If it is going to be an engulfing bearish, it will be today. If it's going to be an evening star, could be tomorrow, unless prices break above 36.50. We are good on the south side, and the boundary that is being worked upon is also very clear. Let's do the extensions here. By any means you are just joining, or if you are holding shorts from 34.50, 60, that's what we have done. We are still holding shorts 100 pips down, but we are still holding shorts. By any time or any moment you are joining fresh, and if you want to trade pound, look into your risk management properly. If it permits allowing placing a stop loss above 36.50, go on and take a short call here, please. All right, I see a lot of, not a lot of, but a gradual increase in the family members. Warm welcome to you all, and do feel free to explore the videos, especially the educational ones, because the daily sessions are almost done. When it's done, it's just valid for a 24 hours period. And if you have any queries or any comments, I'm always open. This is an open for all to comment and keep this channel as a live interactive channel. That's what is the intention. All right. It is a trader's passion for traders, that's all, nothing else. All right, so pound, we are quite confident, fairly confident, 100 points risk from here. If you initial short calls from this point itself, the first stop is 28, that's the support here. In fact, gradual stops are 33, 30, 31 and 30 before 28 is stuck. Right. All right, let's go back to the final chart of the day. Gold. we had discussed gold last time. Let's quickly do it once again. It is now touching the 61.8% with the previous boundary of 5 waves impulse. 61.8% has been tested today, early hours. By all means, it was an expanded flat, and believe it or not, expanded flats are tricky to trade, and I absolutely missed it this time. Had a hint, but was not ready to execute. That was the error. This should be the next potential or probable wave structure for gold. Uh, an A, then an expanded flat B, and a sharp decline. It should drop as it has risen, right? Without much delay here. Today could be the day. At least it is seen on the hourly chart. If we look at the short term setup, the first wave is ready. Almost the second wave is also done at 1317. And if I do a simple extension here in the next few hours, maybe by the end of today's trading day or session, the New York session, we should be below 1300 mark, that is 1296. First stop 1305, then good support is coming at 1301, so they should be after that as well. Who knows, we should be able to break below the 1300 handle by the end of today also. That would also bring up an engulfing bearish on the daily chart. Anything below 1307, any close below that. Alright, so the bearish structure in gold remains intact. We are not taking that risk in silver for the moment, and crude oil we are not changing at all. Alright, so let's keep this session a bit short and precise. Euro USD, we are flat, looking for one support to be taken out before we begin to sell on rallies. I would love to go short aggressive right now as well. It's almost an engulfing bearish. Watch out, after 2 hours there's going to be some price action on the screens. Dollar index waiting to go long, just one resistance to be broken. Gold we are short, pound we are short, and crude oil we are short. Bitcoin will be sent across during the New York live, or I think we will touch upon Bitcoin, another trade call on the short side very soon, maybe tomorrow UK session. Alright, one small announcement from tomorrow. We are beginning, or I'm beginning the domestic segment for Nifty and other stocks in the language which is highly spoken in India, that is Hindi. So I plan to separate it as a different Telegram channel so that it doesn't mix up. Alright, you might want to switch base to the other Telegram channel if you are interested in the Indian segment, or just remain in the same Telegram channel where you are, that is Japee. The only thing is that you'll have to adjust yourselves in the playlist on the YouTube channel, because I'll segregate it as a Hindi playlist so that you are not confused and you don't have to search for our sessions. And from tomorrow I'm also starting to send across a chart commentary on the Telegram channel Japee. It would be a regular, at least 5 times a day, proper chart markup with wave counts and trade setups that we are taken and we are watching. Alright, so that would make up a documented proof or evidence which everyone, whether they see the video or not, are in line with. Alright, so let's bring this session to a pause, brothers and sisters, and if you are still not subscribed, please do so, and continue spreading the word, brothers. This is what I'm asking for right now. Alright, okay, then do write to me. Your comments are always welcome, and I do take them seriously and in a positive way. It really keeps us, everyone into check and accountable as well. Alright, so do not hesitate to send in your comments. I take very seriously. It means a lot to me as well. That proves that we are we are communicating. That's one evidence. All right, so I'll be back after a few minutes, 45 minutes from now, to discuss the practical aspects of the trends, and or maybe we can discuss the Fibonacci structure today. All right, so thank you again for being here online, or if you're watching in offline mode, and please take care and God bless. Goodbye.